What's good, guys? Welcome back. We're on Clash GG. We're gonna start it off with a cheeky 46 2v2. Let's do it. Hopefully we can get at least a little bit lucky. Pull something nice. You know how it is. Right? Not starting too great. This could be a decent one. Okay, little pull. Oh, but they pull better. Hopefully we can get like a double hit or something here. Or containment bridge would be nice. Nah, we fumbled. Let's do it again. I reckon we got it this time. Easy this time. Okay, that's a good start. Double pull an hour and 40. Nice. Just hope that they don't pull big. Alright. Alright, let's get another pull. At least one more pull. Oh, did they yoink that? They did. Oh, alright. Let's see, what are people doing? Let's go for a cheeky 60%. Or actually, I wanna chuck in. Let's put in a wow, what are they called? It's like the 50-50 one. 50-50 mid or something. Let's chuck in one of them and two of them. Surely we pull huge here. Come on. Ooh, that's good. That's a good start. Can we keep it up? Yes, dude. Yes. We're getting some nice pulls here, dude. Let's go. Okay. Yes. What's that? 90 win? Oh, dude, we're up. We're up. Let's go for... Alright, I think I want to add a few more of those. Medium 50-50. And then let's also chuck in a flamethrower. Actually, no. There's the flamethrower. And where's the 50-50? There we are. Alright, 2v2. Let's get it. Hopefully we can pull something nice like that. Let's see what we get. Ooh, fat L's across the board. That's not great. Oh, we have to pull pretty big on this one. That's not good. We have to hit like a pink double hit. Shit, now we lost that. Damn. we just lost everything there. We didn't lose everything, but we lost a fair bit there. I like those 50-50 cases. I think they're not bad. So let's go 2 50-50, 1 Awp main, and then welcome to the jungle. 2v2. Alright, at least we hit something on the first one. Can we get anything on the second? Okay, we got some. Oh, they got something as well. Yeah, we need a pull on this one. Okay, we did. I think we're in the lead now. Yeah, we are. Just gotta hope that they. Surely I can pull something. Okay, yes, dude. That's a huge win. Nice. Let's do it again. Come on. Oh no, they hit twice there. Can we get it back though? Surely we can pull this back. Oh, that's not good. And we hit nothing. Yeah, this one's pretty lost unless we hit like twice. That's really big. No, nothing. Shit. Alright, the site's lagging. 2v2. I like having the 2v2, to be honest. It's definitely a nice feature to have. Go one of them, and then 2 of them. Hopefully we hit on this case, because that probably will mean a win. Okay! Oh no! Oh, it's so over. It's so over. They hit Lightning Strike. I don't think there's like anything that we can hit that can beat that now. Oh, dude. No, we even hit 3 containment bridges there. Oh, that's insane. That's crazy, dude. You know, I want to see what are the odds of them hitting that. It's all the way down here. It would have been really low, right? It's a bit higher up than this. Alright, at least it's loading in now. Bad outcome there. It was a little bit lower. Electric profit, here we go. Surely it wasn't that low, right? It was a 2%er. Oh. If we even hit any of these, it was a low that we actually would have won that though. Let's go back into the battles. I gotta like not forget to put it on 2v2. You know, we'll go terminal here. And we'll do another one of those cases. And then we'll just like 10, something really cheap, right? Like 10% snowball. I like 4 of them. If there's like if we hit like any of the 10%, that's huge. Alright, we do. Surely we can keep this, right? Even if we hit like a 10%er out of here, that would be insane. Alright, they hit a 10%er. We hit one too, let's go. It's all down to the last case though. Alright, last one. This is the one that matters. Come on, surely we hit here. Oh no! It could be anyone's. Alright, we want to see pink. Or berserk. Pink or berserk. Pink. Yes! Yes, dude! Yes! That's huge. That's huge. Well, it's not that big, but it's still nice to get something back. Let's see if we can win this, right? The squirrel, easy. What? Bam. Alright, 2v2, 2v2. We could probably... Let's go a little bit higher up. Let's hit something a bit bigger. Let's go for... Let's go for a deagles only. And then we'll go for a small fish and a final flight. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that's not great. Oh, that hurts, that hurts. I should have done this on the low wall. Oh, they hit twice with me. Damn. Alright, if we hit the red hits, it's perfect. Oh, yes! Wait, no! Oh, it's not enough. Alright, I think we can do it again. Just a red or a pink, and we're sweet. Oh, it's so fucking over. Fuck this shit, dude. Damn it, I sort of like the yellow and I thought, oh yes, that's gonna be huge. It's gonna actually probably win us. Nah, not even close. Alright. Alright, let's see what should we do? Do one oil and medium 50. We'll do 2 of them. 2v2. Come on. Come on, let's do it. Please, please, please. Need to hit big here, dude. Okay, alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. Put us in the lead. Or something like a pink out of here would ruin us. Oh my fucking god. We need a hit. Oh, can we hit like a double pink? Shit. Can we even hit a pink, dude? Oh my fucking god, bro. I'm just getting fucked. We'll just we'll just open cases since this shit's not working, dude. The battles were not with us. Shit. What can I do here? What can I get out of the Kratzner's case? Let's see. What are our odds? Yeah, they are not looking good. I need something that has like decent odds. At least like a 40%er. Cheap juicer. Alright, what are the odds for this one? Hopefully it's decent. It's a 5%er. Yeah, fuck, count me out, dude. Wish there was a way to just like do it by anything that you can actually like afford. Alright. What can we do? You know what? Let's open up a treasure map. What are the odds? Another 5%. Oh, dude, I actually just can't do it 5%er. Like, there's no point. Rookie 50-50, right? Like, surely this will pay off. At least like a little bit, right? Alright. Fuck it, dude, let's get it. I'm just trying to see 3 pinks. Or 3 purples. 2, that's fine. Alright, let's open 2 more of these. If we hit a pink, it'll be so good right now. 1 purple. Shut up. Just bring it. Come on, just give us Nefarious, please. Alright, it's even. We'll open 1 more. Come on, just give me a pink. Just give me a pink. Come on, man. Fuck it, we're opening 2. This could be like the end for us, to be honest. Oh, that hurts, but we'll open 2 more, it's fine. It's only 10%, dude, come on. It's just 10%, I just need to hit that 10% and we're good. Ah, it's ropes. Alright, bro. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.